Hey, what's going on, everyone? Coming to you live from the West Coast, the best coast, the West Side. What's going on? This is Mr. Riley. Hopefully everything is going well wherever you are. So yes, today is day, what is day 21 of CEDA or VEDA or LEDA, whatever the case might be. Yeah, today's day 21. And so I have a special unwrapping, not necessarily unboxing because it's not in a box, right? But hopefully, if you're participating in CEDA or LEDA or VEDA, hopefully you're, creating your content. I just reminded Melissa that she needs to go live. And so hopefully, Melissa, come on over and get your live going on today. So I'm digging here in the comments. And so let's go ahead and hop in really, really quick before we get started. So this is Melissa. We were just kind of chatting before. So I was like, hey, hello there, Melissa. Yeah, so basically I don't go live in this group too much because, but I probably should because I will be creating my own home studio. Right now I'm actually live from my closet, and there's a long backstory as to why I am live streaming from my closet. But yeah, so we're here and I will be creating a studio of a sort in my garage once I relocate back to my normal house. And so Melissa's asking, what platform do I use? So I'm actually using Ecamm Live. Ecamm Live, I'm an Apple head. So Ecamm Live is the software of choice for me to go live streaming. Actually, yes, the live stream. She says the live stream is better. in the closets. Yeah, absolutely, it is. I mean, because I don't have to worry about too much sound panels and things of that nature. The floor is already carpeted, and so yeah. And maybe if I'll go live with my handheld camera, I kind of walk you around a little bit of what my setup is. I'll just show you that I am live. I have my handheld camera, I have my overhead camera, a couple of cameras here. One, two, three. Actually, this is four. This is a double camera. So we'll kind of talk about my setup in this particular live stream real quick. But yeah, I love Ecamm Live. Started using Ecamm Live to live stream my worship service during the pandemic, and just kind of fell into live streaming. Just kind of nerded out, geeked out, and with all the different things that are necessary. And so, a couple of things that are necessary. You need a computer, you need software, you need a camera, you need lights, and a wonderful microphone. So those are like 5 basic things that you need to go live. And so that's what we're doing today, day 21 of CEDA. And so Melissa, just hang out with me right now. She says you need a Mac with Ecamm. So basically, Melissa, Ecamm Live is basically a Mac only program. It's not a Windows program. And so I've been an Apple user just about all my life. I have had a couple of Windows machines. However, OBS I hear is pretty cool, and there's some other live streaming software that is out there for the Windows. But because I am an Apple head, Ecamm Live matched up with my Mac Mini for the win. And I have some other stuff. I have a Stream Deck. I have a CalDigit TS3 Plus, a couple of monitors over here. I'm actually borrowing a friend's camera on his Sony ZVE10, and I have a couple of iPhones that I use as extra cameras. Oh man, no, Melissa, you need to come on over. Hold on, let me go back to my comments window. That way, that placement will be great. Yeah, Melissa, you need to come on over to the Mac side. Come on over to the Mac side. And I was just reading in one of the groups today that the MacBook Air with the M1 chip runs pretty decent. And so, I was on this live stream last night with a friend of mine, and he was just like, "Hey, man, I want to, I like your setup. How can I be down?" Right? And so, just the 5 things that I just kind of rattled off. I'm trying to put together just a small little proposal of some things that he needs. Of course, not all at once, because his pockets aren't deep. And with that, the Apple machines aren't necessarily cheap as well. So, a Mac Mini. No, I'm sorry, MacBook Air. With a nice microphone, a camera, some lights, maybe a second monitor, and that'll get you in the game really, really tight. And then you can add the other stuff if you need to, like the Stream Deck, the TS3 Plus, the CalDigit dock, things of that nature. So yeah, that's kind of how we rolling right now on day 21. So Melissa, just hang out with me for a little bit. You might want to check out everything that Ecamm can do for you. And so I'm just going to basically demonstrate. Let me move some things over here, my camera over here, and move my keyboard, because I don't think I'll be needing my keyboard. So we're on here. I did receive a package from, oh, okay, cool. Absolutely, Melissa. She says she has to run. She's going to catch the replay. That's cool. Nice chatting with you. Hopefully you got some value in what you've seen already. So basically, let me just go ahead and get on with this video. Again, today's number 21 of CEDA. And so I figured I'd just go ahead and do another unwrapping. And so anytime I receive a package from Press and Sew, which is one of the go-to places for content creators and also for Ecamm Live, that's where a lot of their merch comes from Press and Sew, especially the t-shirts. And actually this particular item right here, let's go over here to the overhead cam. So there it is right here. It's actually, and it's kind of funny because it's showing on the screen as blue, but it's actually a green package. So that might be because I'm using my green screen behind me, but in any event. And so this package here, I know exactly what it is. I won this particular, well, actually I participated in I think because my video was shown on Ecamm Network News with Anna and Fulgens a couple of weeks ago, because they showed my video, basically I received a $25 merch card to the merch shop on Ecamm. And so basically I chose the pillow. So that's what this is basically. And if I can find my handy dandy scissors or box. Okay, here we go. So that's what this is. And so it kind of pays to, put your videos, participate in contests, because you never know if your video is going to be selected. And if it's shown, you might win some a merch gift card. And so that's what this is. And so I just want to show you, if I can open it up without cutting the pillow, that'd be great. So I'm actually, this particular cam, maybe I can just do it like this. So we have to pretend. Oh, there we go. Pretend like it's Christmas or my birthday or Father's Day. Okay, there we go. Making some things happen here. And so, it is the Ecamm pillow. There we go. So that's what this is. And it might have some extra things over here in the bag. I thought I felt around and no, that was it. Okay. I thought it was some extra stuff. I thought I felt some extra lapel pins. Okay. So I have an authentic Ecamm Live pillow, and this will look great in my studio. Now, as I said, I am actually in a closet. I am in a closet because something happened to my home. Insurance paid for us to be in another home while we get the repairs fixed. And so the best place for me to stream and set up my stuff, my studio, was in a closet. And so I'm actually live streaming from a closet. I have a Husky desk. I have several cameras. So this camera right here that you're looking at above, my overhead cam, is actually an iPhone 7 Plus. What happened, the sound went out, and but the video was still good, right? I can still use it as a normal phone, except for receiving calls, or actually I can receive the call. They just couldn't hear me when I was speaking. And so just kind of repurposed. I kept that phone because I didn't really want to trade it in. I don't think it had any trade-in value. I think there is a part that might be cracked on the back, and so Apple wouldn't trade it. When I got this particular phone, and this is my handheld phone right here. There it is right there. And I kind of show you a little bit. So I'm going to put my Ecamm pillow away. This cam right here, I call the handheld cam. So that's my friend's Sony ZVE10. I have the Stream Deck. I have actually another laptop is supposed to be here. However, I think I have to take it to the shop. So, and then I have another monitor here. This is a Samsung 43 inch. And then I have the same one over here as well. And then what else? Yeah, and like I said, I'm in a closet. So just kind of giving you the tour of my layout. And so here's what's going to happen when I actually get back into my regular space. I am going to set up a home studio in my garage, right? And so what I've already peeped out the kind of paint that I want to put on my walls, and actually the kind of furniture that I want to put in and use as my background. So I've gone over here to Amazon. I've put some things in. I'm sorry, wrong cam there. Okay, there we go. So I have a couple of things, and it's labeled garage live stream setup, and I have some LED lights, 16-foot lights, and let's see, a room divider, because if I'm in my garage, I don't really want my neighbors to kind of see what I'm doing, and so I'll probably purchase about 2 of these, just so I can kind of block off the view from the street when when the garage door goes up and down. And then, so I'll probably get 2 of those. And then this last thing is the shelf right here. And so what's going to happen is I'll be able to put this pillow in one of the cubbies in my shelf. So that was the idea behind getting the pillow off. Of course, I could have purchased a t-shirt or something like that, but just thinking about how I want my setup, a couple of trinkets and doodads and boxes maybe in those cubbies right there. So definitely probably the middle cubby on the right side where that white plant is, which is where this pillow would probably fit real nice and comfortable. So that's the goal. And that's kind of how we're going to set up my home studio once I get back to my regular home over here in Los Angeles, in Riley World. So just appreciate you guys watching. And, of course, if you have any questions, just drop some comments in the comment section below. Melissa was hanging out for a little bit. And so, if you have any comments about my particular setup, and those are the dimensions right there. I'm just kind of moving the mouse around. It's actually showing me the dimensions of the particular bookcase that I want. So, yeah. So that's how we're going to do it over here. And can I go back to me? It's not going to go back to me. All right. So let's go ahead and use Mr. Mouse because the Stream Deck didn't want to go. There we go. Okay. So yeah, so that's kind of what we did. And of course I have some other things over here I could unbox and kind of show you, but we'll wait until I get back into my regular home and set up everything. But yeah, so that's how we're rolling over here in Riley World. And do me a favor, for my folks watching on YouTube, if you found some kind of value in this particular video, do me a favor, go ahead and leave a comment, and why not even subscribe to the YouTube channel? Maybe even hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime Mr. Riley, myself, drops a brand new video. All right. So that would be really, really cool. And again, just, giving shout out to Press and Soul for having the wonderful merch that they have, part of Ecamm Live. And so, Melissa invites you to, become an Apple head like myself and many others who use Ecamm Live as our live streaming setup. And it's super, super dope. All of these scenes were created in Ecamm Live, and it's really, really easy to use. And there's so many people in the Ecamm Live community who are willing to help beginners understand how to create scenes and even live stream. So, if you choose, Melissa, to hop over into the Ecamm Live because you want to become an Apple head, there's some good people over there. So yeah, so that's it. I think I'm going to conclude this 21st day of my CEDA video. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care. Mr. Riley coming live from the West Coast, the best coast, the West Side. Peace out.